A zombie attack in the Kingstown area. Keep it right here for the very latest as with this breaking situation unfolds. Police are urging you to stay inside. Jesus.
What?
I don't believe this.
What? Is there something with the camera? Just fix it.
She's still moving.
Oh, for Christ's sake. I thought they were dead.
They're supposed to be. They are. I don't know. Like, she's moving on the freaking gurney, man. Get away. Come on, get away. There's a backup here.
This is how I show my love.
I made it in my mind because
Blame it on my ADD, baby.